Imagine a wall of sand, hundreds of feet high, sweeping across the land. It swallows everything in its path. The air is choked with dust. Visibility drops to mere feet. This is not a scene from a disaster movie, but a terrifying reality for the Aravali Range in India. The Aravali, a mountain range older than the Himalayas, is facing an unprecedented crisis. Sandstorms of increasing frequency and intensity. The Aravali, stretching over 692 kilometers from Gujarat to Delhi, has stood for millennia as a silent guardian. It has sheltered diverse ecosystems and nurtured human civilizations. But this ancient guardian is now under siege. The very sand that once nourished its foothills now threatens to engulf it. The Aravali Range is not just a geographical feature, it's a lifeline. It acts as a natural barrier against the Thar Desert, preventing its expansion towards the Indo-Gangetic plains. Its forests and grasslands provide critical ecosystem services. They regulate rainfall patterns, prevent soil erosion, and recharge groundwater aquifers. The Aravali is also a biodiversity hotspot. It is home to over 200 species of birds, including the endangered Indian leopard and the vulnerable Indian wolf. These animals depend on the delicate balance of the Aravali ecosystem for their survival. The Aravali is not just a mountain range, it is an ecological treasure chest. In recent years, sandstorms have become a frequent and devastating phenomenon in the Aravali region. The 2025 sandstorm in Delhi, which originated in the Thar Desert and swept across the Aravali, serves as a stark reminder of the crisis. The storm brought the city to a standstill. It resulted in widespread respiratory problems and caused significant damage to infrastructure and agriculture. The increasing intensity and frequency of these sandstorms are stripping the Aravali of its vegetation cover. This leaves the soil exposed to erosion and degradation. The once fertile lands are turning into barren wastelands. The impact on the flora and fauna of the region is catastrophic. Wind to carry it away. This accelerates the process of desertification. The consequences of our actions are staring us in the face. Section 5. A glimmer of hope, conservation efforts, and the fight for the future. Despite the grim scenario, there is a glimmer of hope. Local communities are joining hands with environmental organizations to restore the degraded Aravali landscape. Large-scale tree plantation drives are being undertaken to increase green cover and prevent soil erosion. Sustainable land management practices are being promoted to restore the ecological balance. The government has also started taking notice. Stringent regulations are being put in place to curb illegal mining and deforestation. Efforts are underway to promote responsible tourism and raise awareness about the importance of conserving the Aravali. The fight for the Aravali is far from over, but there is hope. Section 6. A call to action. Join the movement to save the Aravali. The Aravali Range is at a tipping point. Its survival depends on our collective action. We must become more aware of our consumption patterns and reduce our ecological footprint. We must support organizations working to conserve the Aravali. We must hold our elected officials accountable for protecting this natural heritage. The future of the Aravali is intertwined with our own. By saving the Aravali, we are not just saving a mountain range, but also securing our own future. Let us join hands to protect this ancient guardian and ensure that it continues to stand tall for generations to come.